Y'all, we gotta clean this fridge out because we are going grocery shopping tomorrow. And quite frankly, I haven't cleaned the fridge since we moved into this house, and it's kind of gross. Some of this food in here might be like months old. I don't know. Don't judge me. Look, you can. I just won't care. This went out in January. This is extremely old. It's old in 20 days. Panda Express. I don't know what kind of meat this is. I'm assuming that's sausage. I don't know. This is still good. Crap. Well, that's definitely bad. No. Just so y'all know, these are not regular eggs. These are Easter eggs. What are you doing in here? Trash. Definitely trash. Trash. Y'all, eventually there will be a day where I will really deep clean this fridge. Unfortunately, today is not that day. I'm tired. Y'all, my fridge is done. It's pitiful. Don't worry, it'll be full tomorrow. Y'all, I'm just sitting here thinking that's low-key ridiculous. Like, we cannot go this long without grocery shopping again. Oh my God.